part of what I do when I work with teams is I ask lots of questions. Now, the questions I ask will depend on the information that I'm trying to get from people. But often one of the questions I ask is, why do you do that? How do you do that? When I ask those questions, what it reveals to me is whether what people are doing is just rote. It's something that we've learnt, like our times table at school, or is it something that really has a purpose? From time to time, when we create systems and processes in anything that we do, they become outdated. And we need to sit down and work out, are there pieces that are no longer working for us? Are there elements that we need to do that we're making the whole process harder than it needs to be? I've lost track of the number of people that I've worked with who've tried to create a complex formula to achieve something that within a few clicks I can show them a much faster and less riskier way of achieving it. So sometimes it's worthwhile stepping back and taking a look at what you're doing and working out, could you simplify rather than complexify something that you're doing in your business or your work today?